Let me tell you about this incredible massage chair by Infinity. Real life video here. No makeup, no filters, in my favorite mom outfit. Just hanging out, and I'm going to show you how this chair works. It is incredible, it is relaxing, and it will help your body decompress and give you the relief that you need. Let's push that on button to get started. Admittedly, there are a lot of buttons, there are a lot of options, and there are a lot of combinations. I promise you though, that within a few uses, you will have it figured out which setting you enjoy and you like for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video because we all know what it looks like to see somebody recline. Look closely and you can see the intense massaging begin on my thighs. My most favorite feature is the zero gravity function. This gives me much needed relief and decompression of my spine. Additional features not showing during this video are heat as well as a fully integrated Bluetooth audio system. Between the responsibilities of kids, work, and my spouse's schedule as well as maintaining the home, I just don't have time to go anywhere and do something like this for myself, so this allows me to do it at home. Let's take a quick look at this chair in action without anybody in it. Check out that intense squeeze it gives your calves right here. A full body massage in the comfort of your own home is what everybody needs and deserves these days.